Today we are going to be opening up some Rocket League crates that my brother has gotten.
Yeah, I've been saving them up all season, so Liam, you can start opening them.
Okay, so the first ones we have the uncommons. Let's see what we get.
Oh, there's nothing really good besides painted like dice.
Okay.
Just open it.
Okay, yeah. Oh wait. Yeah, I click on
A and open drop.
Open drop. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, we got something.
Rare. Well, we can also do some trade.
Ooh, narwhal thingy.
You gotta do it faster, Liam.
Okay, I'll do it fast. Oh, red much? Red much?
Oh, dicey. Sad. Here, go back. We're out of those now, P.
Okay.
And rare drops. This is where we get the painted octanes, Liam.
Mm-hmm.
This is a big money crate.
Dun 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 dun.
Ooh, very rare.
What we get?
Vector, trade upable.
Ooh. And
Rare.
dog water.
Ooh, Skybase Shark. Ooh, fancy.
What we got?
Another rare. Just speed. Oh, yo, chicken hat!
That's epic! But you gotta equip that. For the whole entire next season, you have to equip that.
Yo, junk food! Oh my god, Liam eats too much of those guys. I'm telling you, man. Octane?
Ooh. Oh, those wheels are epic.
Trade upable.
Trade upable.
I thought it was an Octane for a second because I have my Octane. Yo!
Oh, I have these.
I got the Rick and Morty wheels.
I already have the Rick and Morty wheels.
They're cool, they're cool.
Yeah. Big ol' Rick. Was that a new color?
No, it's a
I just saw that in here. I don't remember that on the Octane.
You gotta go fast, Liam. Speed.
Okay, speed. Ooh, red?
I know.
Lame.
Ooh, plasma. Another trade upable thing.
Everything's trade upable.
Grandpa.
Ooh.
Trade upable.
What even? Oh, those are wheels. I was about to say, what did we even get?
No.
Blue, are you kidding me?
You got any stories, Liam?
Dun, 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 dun.
So many trade upables.
Oh, that snake skin's actually cool.
So many things to trade up, dude.
Dude.
Another Skybase Shark. At least we're gonna have a good amount of trade ups to do. Ooh. Liam, you're not too great at opening crates, if I'm being honest here.
I don't really care. Come on, give me a red. Okay.
Oh, wow, you got a little bunny, Liam.
I'm amazing, I know.
Dude, you're really getting unlucky here.
How many more of these crates do I have?
7 more. Okay,
How'd you know?
Because I can see it in the top.
Oh.
Dude, it always baits you with the red, Liam. Like, just give me a red already.
It's bullying me. Come on.
Man, please.
Red!
This
game's bullying me.
I don't want no zippies. I want a white octane.
I hate you. You hit me with the double red? Oh my god. You're bullying me. Dun dun. I actually hate you.
At least the trade ups we can maybe get a guaranteed. There we go. Yeah. Octane, give me it.
Ooh, that's
You got a glitch. Dude, you get the worst inputs.
I hate you.
I don't think I'll cancel.
Come on.
Maybe it's because you're not doing the nose, Liam.
Oh yeah, I got bolts.
Let's see it, Liam.
Wait. There. It was
Is this my titanium white octane?
That made me hoses on
Well, now we get to the better crates. Guys. B,
Dun, dun.
B, we're out.
Oh.
In very rares, yes, sir. We
Where?
can get some good exotic.
Exotic drop.
Let's see it, Liam.
Come on.
You just, as you can see, he
Pinky
doesn't
look?
have flavor.
Pinky look? Yay!
Ooh.
I can't connect to the Wi-Fi.
Heroes, dude.
Dog water. Come on. You better not give me blue. I swear.
Man.
Ooh, the wheel.
Metallic smooth. No, I can't.
Oh, is that like that glow around it? What did that do?
You got this, Liam. You got this.
I got this.
Give me something, Gabe.
Ooh, that's cool.
It's because you're not doing anything cool, Liam. Hit him with your biggest one. You want to do the no look?
The no look toe.
The toe one. It's kind of nasty.
Oh.
Doesn't matter. Just do it, Liam. If this is gonna give me some.
Am I on yes?
Yeah, go. Yes, you're on yes.
What is it? Did I do it? Oh.
Yes, you did.
The toe. The no looker toe.
Okay, Liam.
Okay, my toes now. Ooh, that's ugly.
Oh, a trident. That's kind of hard. Okay, final crate of the day, Liam.
Dun dun.
The black. Look, we can get a black market right
I
here.
have
Liam.
to do
The black market thing.
the pen.
Oh my God, he got the mega pen. Boom. Give it to us, Rocket League
Come
gods.
on, red.
Liam, we didn't want a red.
What did we want?
A black market, Liam.
What's
Red
that?
was the worst we could have got in there.
Oh, I thought red was.
Well, now we can do trade ups, so that's.
That's something, but I'll do it.
Oh, man. So let's see. First off, very rare trade ups. I don't want to trade up the trident if I can keep it. Okay, trade it up, Liam.
Zip.
This is where we get our white octane.
Totally.
Okay, well, let's see if we can do an exotic trade up.
Is this
Yeah,
one?
yeah, trading.
Okay.
Yeah, we can.
You don't want this, right?
Yeah,
You
no.
want glitch?
No. I just want to keep my oxen.
Bye, orange. You want this?
Yep. No, Liam.
I don't know.
That one. Trade it up, baby.
Dun, 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 dun.
Reactors. Great.
Oh, that's actually awesome.
Let's see what else we got. We can do some of these.
Oh, we can do two of them.
We can do a lot more than 2, I think, Liam.
Okay, fine. 3, whatever you want me to say.
Octane count.
Oh, wait.
Oh,
I
can't
didn't.
trade up. No, can't trade up that, man.
You have to do rooster hat for the rest of the season.
Yeah, man. Oh, if only that was a cool color, you know.
Remember when I got you the burner?
Carbon fiber is kind of cool. Which I already have nuts and bolts.
Nuts and bolts.
Okay, I need one more.
Can you do one more?
Let's see. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't really need that.
No, you need the rooster.
I know. Well, I already have those wheels. So,
The
Liam.
calculator, you have 2 calculators.
Yeah, but I'm keeping those. Metallic pearl. Okay, I don't care about that. Really, Liam, this is where you get me something very epic.
The bat.
You're gonna do it with... No, it's A.
Oh.
A. Well, you win some and you completely
That wasn't
lose
me.
a lot of others. You have some uncommons. Oh, wow, yeah. I don't know if I want to trade up any of my uncommons. You sure so? Yeah, no, Liam. So sad. Well,
I'm very lucky.
that's the end of this video, guys. Bye.